Hello students. In our previous class, we have discussed the features of e-banking. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about forms of electronic banking. See, sometimes they may ask you a question altogether, full question of internet banking. On internet banking, that is a question for 15 marks they may ask. At that time, you have to write each and everything what we have covered here in this unit. Or sometimes they may ask you ATM. What are the advantages and disadvantages of ATM? At that time, you have to write in detail about ATM. Rather, everything you have to just mention the points and write the 15 marks question when you are writing. Don't write everything in detail. Now, what are the forms of electronic banking? So nowadays, the customers require quick services and are more concerned with any time and quick banking services. So customers want services very quick and they do not want to wait for the banking services. They are not ready to wait in the queues at the various cash counters in the banks, but they are expecting very quick services and at any time they want these services. So today banking business is available 24 hours a day on non-stop basis for all the 365 days through these electronic banking. So in that one is ATM. Now what is ATM? So ATM, it is a machine that helps a bank's customer to deposit the money in a bank or to withdraw it or transfer it and check the amount in one's account accurately without the help of bank employee. So what is the long form of ATM? Sometimes they may ask you long form of ATM or expand ATM, such question. That is automated teller machine. So this machine is helpful for the bank's customer. They can deposit the money in a bank, withdraw the money, transfer the money, and even if they want to check the amount, they can do so without the help of bank employee. Now, what are the different types of ATM? So the first type of ATM is on-site ATM. What is on-site ATM? So such ATMs which are installed at the bank premises, such ATMs are called as on-site ATM. Offsite ATM. Offsite ATM means the ATM which is installed at some other place rather than the bank premises. Those are called as offsite ATM. So these may be installed at such a places where there may be requirement of ATMs or requirement of money. So it may be installed at bus stand, airport, colleges, supermarkets, petrol pumps, etc. Those ATMs are called as offsite ATMs. So if you are writing a 5 marks question based on ATM only, then you have to cover all these things in detail. Now we'll discuss the advantages of ATM. So first advantage of ATM is attraction of customers. Attraction of customers means, so ATM has become a major attraction of new customers and to retain the old customers of the bank. But it was an attraction when it was newly introduced, but nowadays all the banks are providing its ATM facilities. But it was initially, it was an attraction for the customers. So the bank which used to provide ATM services, customers used to open an account in that bank and it was helpful for retaining the old customers of the bank. So this is the first point, first advantage of ATM, attraction of customers. Second point is to avoid long queues and delay in cash counter. So whenever the customer, any customer of the bank, he had to deposit or withdraw the money from the bank, he had to go to the bank branch personally, then wait in the queues, long queues from one cash counter to another cash counter, and there used to be a delay or he had to spend a lot of time at that places. Nowadays, because of ATM, he need not to wait in the long queues and there will be no delay in the cash counter sitting at home, sorry, not sitting at home, but he has to go to the place where ATM machines are installed and from that place he can withdraw the cash, withdraw the money. Next point is flexibility of withdrawing money at any time. So customer need not to wait for the working hours of the bank, or whenever customer wants the money, he can go to ATM machines and he can withdraw the money. So there is a flexibility of withdrawing money anytime. Next point is ATM helps for withdrawals. So ATM help for withdrawal means whenever they want to withdraw the money at any time, they can withdraw. That is ATM helps for withdrawal of the money. ATM helps for payment of bills. So it can be used for making the payments of the bills also. It can be used. ATM facilities are available at any time a day or night or 24 hours and 7 days a week. This facility will be available. And ATM is a marketing tool to target for bankers. So bankers used to tell in the advertisement of the banks that this bank has ATM facility and open your account in this bank. So it was used as a marketing tool to target the customers. ATM reduces the operating cost of the bank. How it reduces the operating cost of the bank? So a work which is done by that machine, 2 or 3 people used to be employed for that purpose. And nowadays, because of ATM, the bank need not to pay the monthly salary to those people who would have to carry on the functions of ATM. So it reduces the operating cost of the bank. It is free from human error. So any task which is done by the machine and which is done by the human beings, there are likely chances that human beings may commit an error, commit a mistake, but in case of machines, the work of the machine is free from errors. Other services. So other services provided by the ATM. So ATM provides a variety of services such as funds transfer, request for a checkbook or a statement of account, etc. These are the other services of ATM. So these are the advantages of ATM. Now we are going to talk about the disadvantages of ATM. Now, are there any disadvantages of ATM? So yes, the first disadvantage of ATM is illiterate people cannot operate the account. So this is one disadvantage of ATM. Next is customers below 14 years are not allowed to operate the ATM account. Third most important disadvantage is more misappropriation. That is, if the code number is known to the others, they can withdraw the money belonging to the customers. So there are likely chances that because of the ATM card, if the ATM card is lost of some person, the person who gets it, he may be knowing the code. So there are likely chances that person may withdraw the money belonging to the customer. Next disadvantage is limit for withdrawals. So for withdrawals from the ATM, there is certain limit which has been mentioned, and below that limit, a person cannot withdraw from ATM. Per day, there is certain limit. Next disadvantage is cost of installation of ATM is very high. No doubt, because of installation of ATMs, operating cost of the bank will be reduced. So they need not to pay monthly salary to a person who is employed to perform that function of ATM. But initial operating cost, initial installation cost of ATM machine will be higher, and bank has to spend money for installation cost, and that installation cost is very high. These are the disadvantages of ATM. Thank you.